Welcome back, everybody, to another Theta Network update for October 10th, 2022. Hope you guys are having a great Monday wherever you are. And also, we are 52 days away from the mainnet 4.0 launch, which is going to happen on December 1st, 2022. Now, if you guys still haven't clicked that Learn More button, actually went through the white paper of what Metachain and mainnet is, well, we were blessed and very graciously given a tweet format by Theta Leviathan. Thank you so much for this tweet, because I know a lot of people want faster responses or answers to their questions on what this is, and I think you did a great job, brother. So let's go over your tweet. As we get closer to the launch of Theta's Metachain, Theta Leviathan will be providing a summary version of the mainnet 4.0 white paper in tweet format. So let's get pumped, and here we go. So Web3 promises to be a revolutionary technology, just like the advent of the internet in the late 1990s revolutionized how people around the world communicate and interact with each other. New online models emerged at that time that completely displaced existing businesses. Case in point, Blockbuster at its peak in 2004 employed over 80,000 people with nearly 10,000 physical stores. And at the largest video rental service by 2007, Netflix introduced one of the first streaming media video on demand services and put Blockbuster out of business. That was a fun 4 years. I worked for Blockbuster from 18 to like 21. But Web3 tools and technologies today are like the internet in the early 2000s, whereas existing Web 2 businesses captured 80% of the value, leaving only 10% to creator/IP holders and 10% to users. New Web 3 businesses can scale by 10x and keep 20% of the value created to themselves. In the end, they're still 200% more successful and have the potential to completely displace today's Web 2 businesses. This is the vision for Theta's upcoming mainnet 4.0 to enable Web 3 businesses in media, entertainment, and the metaverse to scale to 10x platforms. Theta continues to be the leading video, media, and entertainment blockchain since the launch of mainnet 1.0 in 2019, backed by global enterprise validator partners including Google, Samsung, Sony, Creative Artists Agency, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, DHVC, and Gumi. So yeah, lots of those big time partners are in it with Theta. Media and entertainment segments ripe for disruption. Existing platforms must adapt and embrace Web3 models to survive or will be displaced by emerging Web3 equivalents. So here is what's going on. For a subscription-based streaming businesses, a Web3 equivalent would leverage Theta's video-focused edge computing infrastructure and Theta Video API to lower the massive cost of video encoding, storage, and delivery to multiple devices, including mobile, web, smart TVs, and more. B, we got free ad-supported video services currently struggling with user engagement. Services can be implemented in a community-based TNT20 token governance model to give users a say in how best to extend their services and features. We got this started right now with Rewarded TV being the first testnet for the subchains on Theta's blockchain. Then we got transactional pay-per-view models. Web business models present a whole set of opportunities where transactional customers can be converted to lifetime customers of the IP and brand enabled Theta Patent MT-based digital rights management, otherwise known as DRM. We got our first look at that with the Theta Jukebox and Diana Warwick. No one can enter that website unless they had her specific NFT for it and had her new song Smile. Ticketing and live events platforms. Using Theta Pass, original IP holders can now be compensated for a portion of each secondary ticket sold, all tracked and seamlessly implemented via smart contracts on the Theta blockchain, and fraudulent middlemans are cut out. So yeah, now we got Theta Pass, which holds specific NFTs, which can be verified, and it's now no more counterfeit. It's like, hey, no, this is the owner. It's in this specific wallet. Can't copy it. So boom. And then let's see, we got movie and studios and production houses. Web3 initiates can unlock a whole new value chain where original IP and creators can reap much greater rewards than the traditional 10 to 15% through tokenization to raise funds and fairly distribute profits. We also got local sports teams. Sports teams can incorporate team fan tokens where holders of these TNT 20 tokens can participate in the governance and vote on various stadium and team business decisions, including stadium improvements, logos, jerseys, ticket pricing, and more. So that's one way the Metachain can help that sector out. And next, we have the content and website hosting services. A Web3 distributed content hosting service could be 3 to 5x more cost effective by leveraging Theta's global edge network and edge store capabilities, where content catching/delivering is closer to end users. We got a sneak peek of it at the Theta's edge store revealed in alpha preview release. And then let's see, we got finally the emerging metaverse platforms. The future of the metaverse platforms will be largely driven by social interactions powered by video, audio, and other rich media formats, which can be built using Theta's open Web3 video and media API interfaces. First one we got to test that out was Decentraland back then for their live stream concert center. Decentral Games partners with Theta's network to scale live stream capacity. And then more Metachain threads to come. So yes, that's just the start of what the mainnet 4.0 is, straight from the white paper. We've seen like what it can do, and also it's like this was the start of it. It's like these guys don't upgrade, they're doomed to fail. Like Blockbuster didn't upgrade with the online streaming. They had a chance to buy Netflix. They didn't. Then Netflix took them. And now this Web3 and Theta, whatever they're doing, is definitely going to put the Netflix guys probably to bed. So yeah, so get with it, people. Like Theta is going to be killing it in Q4. So be ready again. 52 days away, and then whew, all right, what else is going on with Theta Network today? Crypto Elite has a new video out. Did Hollywood give up on NFTs, and what does it mean for Theta Network? Find out more in the video link below. So yeah, he goes over this, like, did they just give it up or not? You got to find out. So check his channel out. He does great work in the Theta community on YouTube. Also, Imagine Replay says we are solving recent delays due to the issues with latency and rapid scaling growth. Please see the doc on planned updates rolling out this week and how NFTs work with Replay per our white paper. So yeah, they were booming pretty fast. Like the Replay economy has witnessed a tremendous growth from just August to September. We have quintupled our hours watched and users on our flagship streaming service, Rewarded.tv. Thank you to all of you guys for tuning in. But since then, following the overwhelming response and excitement for our first NFT drop partner with Theta Drop to crowdfund the production of Psycho, the animated series pilot, we've grown exponentially from 5,000 plus hours daily to trending over 35,000 hours daily in just a few days. First and foremost, we want to address some of the experiences issues we've been hearing about, like buffering. We have been working overtime to solve these issues and are currently finalizing updates that are being rolled out live imminently. We'll be testing the new version throughout the week, so you may continue to see intermediate interruptions while we implement. Though most users should see a major improvement to the buffering today. These updates will be enabled through the rollout of NFT multipliers, which will occur by EOD this Wednesday, October 12th. We apologize for the 1 week delay and appreciate your patience. So yeah, so like what's going on is like eventually all of this will be fixed. The more edge nodes that come, like if that issue doesn't come out, because the edge nodes that we run on our computers, like they do most of the hard work for everything. So who knows, maybe we'll have to make a deal with like Sony or Samsung, have them implement a node in every single one of their phones, television, then that would easily solve this problem to have that no more delay or buffering. But no, these guys are growing fast. So awesome job, Imagine Replay. If you're curious on the Replay tokens, there will be a fixed supply of 1 billion Replay. The supply of Replay to Reward.tv stems from Replay Growth Pool 1, and at 25 million Replay, part of the overall ecosystem growth pool in our tokenomics. More phases of the growth pools will be unlocked, TBD, as we continue to achieve ecosystem milestones. More info on what Replay can be redeemed for here. So yeah, you can start redeeming your Replay tokens for specific items, NFTs, access to shows. But yeah, we're also beginning, like again, that animated series Psycho. So if you have that NFT, you're going to gain access to it. Otherwise, you will not be able to watch this show. It has the entire cast from Napoleon Dynamite, so that's going to be awesome. Can't wait to rehear those voices because it's been so time. I loved it. I remember in middle school when Napoleon Dynamite came out, it's like you had to watch the movie twice, and then it's like, oh my gosh, this movie is hilarious. But yeah, the rest of this article just goes on like what Replay is used for, how the multiplier works, how you'll be earning it. I will leave a link down below if you just want to read it yourself. And then let's see, lastly in the news, if you like paying attention to what's going on with Theta Lands weekly date updates. So Monday, we got the sheet teaser plus weekly dates. Tuesday, intro to Theta lands, X Theta Dragon's reward sheet 1.0. Wednesday, we'll have an Open Theta NFT giveaway. Thursday, new drop on Open Theta. Friday, 3D teaser, and that's what's going to be going down for Theta lands. I can't wait till your guys' game comes out, the fight for CMC, because I really want to play that. I'm always a big Street Fighter fan, so I cannot wait till it becomes fully public. But yeah, that's about it for the Theta Network news. Again, just like a big update on what is the mainnet 4.0 and the white paper in tweet form. So again, thank you very much, Theta Leviathan, for that. And we really do appreciate that in the community. But yeah, price of Theta right now is $1.04 with a market cap of $1.04 billion. Trading volume is at $15.5 million, and total stake nodes out there is 3,284. These are the guardians and validator nodes out there. The Theta being staked to them is at 60.34%. So again, there's only 40% of the Theta supply, and we now know the number to set up these subchains. So scarcity will happen fast with Theta tokens, and if you have enough to set up a subchain, you have a lot to leverage with. So be excited. And then T-Fuel's price is at 0.051 cents with a market cap of $273.8 million, trading volumes at 4.6 million, and total elite edge nodes is 7,934. These are edge nodes that have been upgraded to elite status by staking a minimum of 10,000 T-Fuel. Now, the T-Fuel being staked or locked away is at 40.81%. Now, the change between these tokens, Theta is down 1.78% since yesterday, and T-Fuel is down 1.98%. So if you just round that up, they're about down 2% since yesterday. But again, if you look at the chart for the past few months, they've just been going sideways, but they are still building, and that's how you survive this winter. So when we get back to the bull run, spring starts emerging, you bet your bottom dollar Theta will emerge with one of the with one of the top projects up there. So that's my saying on that, and I think that is what's going to happen. And as always, we finish off with the movement of Theta on fiatleak.com. Looks like it's going pretty slow right now. No current transactions we can see. The last few transactions happened were on Binance and Upbit. So very interesting. And hey, there's our first bubble. So at least we got to see one happen. But I hope you guys like this content. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, Crypto Sherpa is out.